Hello creatives, welcome to today's studio.
So welcome back online guys. In today's tutorial, this is the flyer we'll be making a glass morphism design for. So this is the one we've already done, so let's hide it, and this is the design we are going to be using in the background. Let's get this deleted, unlock this, and the first thing we are going to do now is to go to our Chrome, clicking on this, then we click here and click on type blur images online and enter. Wow, okay, reloading this again, we click on blur images. Okay, here we have it. Wow, not this is the one we are going to be making use of. We're going to be making use of lunar peak. So let's click on this. So with this, just zoom out. I'm using desktop mode and click on choose file. So this is going to redirect us to our storage. So here it says select an image, so I'll click on this and I'll go to my images, go to my save file and click on the flyer image I want to blur. So waiting for this to upload here. Uploading, please wait. Let's wait for this to be done. Yeah, this is it. So let me just zoom out right here, bring it this, and there I'll have to reduce this blurry. I'll bring it back here, updating preview. It has been blurred. Let me see if this is, yeah, this is okay by me. I just bring it down back a little. Yeah, done. So let me just click on apply. Click on apply here and wait for it to be done. So it has been applied already. The next thing for us to do is to save this to our storage. So zooming this out, at the downside of the image we blurred, we have save right here. Clicking on it, this will be automatically downloaded. And here we have it here. So the next thing now is to go back to our Pixellab. There we have it right here. So I will go click on import and we come to our downloads, and here we have our just downloaded blurry image here. Clicking on it, we click on mark and go to our relative size, increase this to 100, mark, and centralize this. Doing that, we click on our layers and bring this blurry image down to the back. So what next now? We have to lock this image, lock this as well. Click on both and go to shapes. Clicking on shapes, let's reduce the opacity of this a little bit and bring this here. And let's increase the radius and increase our opacity again. Click on mark, we can centralize this. Now it's at the center. So the next thing for us to go is to go to color, and here the next thing, the best thing to do is to pick a color that is not among the images that we use here. If we hide this, if we look at this, we have blue, we have green, we have red, and we have something black, bluish color. So the next thing, let's click on our layers back, on hide this and click on enable color. Scrolling through here, we have to pick this. Let's scroll back, yes, yeah, let's use this color. Perfect, and click on mark. Guess right, we don't have this color on the image we are using. Clicking on the layers, we are going to merge the first one, that is the image that is not the one we blurred. The one we blurred, if you look at it, is the one at the back end. So we mark both together and merge and click on OK. So that's been done. So the next thing is to go to our erase color. Clicking on this, click on enable, and click on this eyedropper here. Click on it, and you see automatically it already selected the color we have there, and click on mark. If you look at that, it's blur already. So the next thing is to do is to mark this. Marking this, you can just go here and come to shadow. Click on shadow. You have this here. So the next thing is to go our shadow. It can be black. If you use black that way, it will show our Morphism very well. So we click on white color, see that, and click on add. Clicking on add will bring this back a little bit, and click on OK. And blur radius, reduce it a little. You see that reducing this, if you increase that, it won't be professional and it won't show our Morphism. So the next thing is to just reduce this. Now let's click on this side again. You can bring this back a little. Click on OK. We have our Morphism here. Clicking on mark again. You can lock this, and the magic right here again, we can click on shape to change the color of the Morphism, and we still have something to do again. You can change it to black, any color of our choice. Let's use this. Click on mark and bring it back right here, and doing that, you can just reduce the opacity, and here we can use different color for our Morphism. If you even see that, this actually increase how visible the text we have at the background is. Though we've blur it, but this actually shows it. You saw a 350 plus high quality at the characters there. So you can still change this color to green or any color of our choice. You can have this, have this as well, have this as well. Let's use this, of this rather, and go to our opacity, reduce this a little. We have this Morphism there, and we can unhide it again. So the next thing to do is to lock this and input our text. Yeah, we have this right here. We have glass Morphism. And let's do design. Okay, we have this now. Let's import this. I don't mind me.
My enemies will think they won, but I am here to stay.
Oh, let's delete this. Edit. And the design is now correct. And Pixellab. I'm going to our fonts. Let's have this right here. I have this here and change the color to white. have this right here. I'm clicking on our text again. We have like, please subscribe as well, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell, as well as share. Turn on the notification bell. Thank you. We have this right here. Going to our alignment, center align this, and click on mark. Go to our font. We have our recent font right here. We have medium. You can change the color to white. Okay. You have this right here. Now we can centralize it. So we're done with the glass morphism. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you. I'm at DTV.